Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine today. Students, yesterday we have already done our exercise number A from lesson number 20, which is will and shall. Understand? And today we will start our new exercise from lesson number 20, exercise number B. And after that, we will also complete our lesson number 21 with its exercises and along with definitions. Okay, so be ready with your notebook or copy and let's start with me with beautiful handwriting. So students, it is our lesson number 20, will and shall. We have already explained it. I will already explain it to you, and we will also complete exercise number A in our previous class. Today we will do this exercise number B in our copy also. First of all, we have write here. We will write CW and today's date 28/01/2021. Lesson number 20. Lesson name is will and shall. Okay. Now here we will write exercise number B. Okay, 1 second students. Our heading is answer the following questions. Students, remember, do not write wrong spellings. Okay. So our question number 1 will be, where will you study in the next class? Okay. So our answer will be, I will study next class in Vishnu Bhagwan public school. Okay, like this. I will study next class in Vishnu Bhagwan public school. It is our school's name. Now number 2, where will you celebrate your next birthday? Okay, so our answer will be, I shall celebrate my next birthday in my house, HOUSE house, or wherever you want. Okay. Now number 3, in which year will you be in 4th standard. It is our question number 3. So our answer will be I will be in fourth standard, STANDARD, in the year 2022. Okay. Now number 4. Who will win the next cricket World Cup? W will be capital of World Cup. Okay. Now answer will be India shall win the next cricket World Cup. Remember students, World Cup का W and Cup का C will be capital. Okay. Oh sorry. Here is full stop, not question mark. Number 5. How old will you be next year? So student, what is your actual age? According to your actual age, you will be years old in next year. I think answer will be I will be 9 years old next year. Okay. It is your lesson number 20 complete. Now we will come to our lesson number 21. Mention the CW and date 28/1/2021. Lesson number 21. Lesson name is preposition. Prepositions in, on, under, and over. Okay. Exercise number 1. First of all, we will read it. Prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns. Remember students, listen carefully. Prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns to show their place, position, time or method. Now I will explain it to you by some examples. First is my bag is under the chair. Here you can see in this picture, this bag is under the chair. Not on the chair, not near the chair, under the chair. Okay. So it is our preposition. Next picture is the child is in the car. So here the child is in the car, not near the car, not out of the car, in the car. So it is our preposition word. Number 3, the book is on the table. Here you can see in this picture the book is on the table, not under the table, not behind the table, not in the table, on the table. Okay. So it is our preposition word. Now the dog jumped over the fence. Here you will see in this picture, it is fence and it is dog. Dog is over the fence, not near the fence. Okay. So it is our preposition word. Now come to our exercises part. Here you can see page number 56. No, 55. Okay. Exercise number A. Fill appropriate preposition in each blank. Here you can see in this picture all the sentences are given here with some options. How can you do this exercise? Now I will tell you. Exercise number A you can write in your copy and write your heading carefully. Appropriate. Fill appropriate. Students, just a minute. We have not done. Students, we will not do this exercise in our copy. It is only in our book. Okay? We will do it here. Understand? Number 1. Books are on the table. Here we have an option, two option, in or on. So we will choose on for this sentence. Books are on the table. Okay? Now number 2. Shoes are lying under the bed. Here under, on. So we will choose here under for this sentence. Number 3. The horse jumped over the fence. Number 4. The passengers are in the bus. Number 5. The picture is on the wall. Number 6. The girl's hand is on her mouth. Number 7. He is wearing a cap on his head. Okay? Now, here you can write. Here you will write your CW. Date 28/1/2021 like this, and here you will write your HW with darker pencil. Okay, and mention the date again with same date, and you will show it to me tomorrow morning. Okay. Number B. How can you do this exercise? I will explain it to you. Tick the correct preposition in the following sentences. He was standing on one foot. He was standing on one foot. So you will tick onward. Okay. Number 2. Soak your burned hand on cold water. So soak your burned hand in cold water, not on cold water. Okay. Number 3. The boys were playing over in the street. The boys were playing in the street. Number 4. Children ran on the grass. Number 5. The boat is in the water. Just a minute. The boat is in the water. Number 6. Birds make their nests on trees. Number 7. The bridge is over the river. Okay. You can do this exercise in your copy and show it to me tomorrow. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.